of those days, that's how I'ma start my verse. I'm feeling free like a bird. Lately got a blank mind, but now I'm ready to put in work. And lately I've been putting in work, saving for a rainy day. Don't say money ain't no object, my honest expression. I got money in the bank, gas in the tank, and food on my plate. Feeling empty, I need a female attention, but I ain't the type that go to the gym, so they look the other way. It's okay, it won't ruin my day. Lately I've been thinking about how the game changed, it ain't the same. Still trying to build that hip-hop flame, so I gotta evolve. I'ma start that shit with Butane. It's time to let the lions out the cage. Give me that venom like Bane. Don't like my tracks, kick rocks and walk the other way. Everybody have their own opinion, I understand that, but I'ma say the same. So give me that mic, cause I got the vibe with the electricity and that energy that will flow through the veins. Ain't gonna bring me down, ain't gonna bring me down, nope. Ain't gonna bring me down, ain't gonna bring me down, nope. Ain't gonna bring me down, ain't gonna bring me down, nope. Ain't gonna bring me down, ain't gonna bring me down, nope. This is dedicated for those that like to bring me down, and they know what I'm talking about. Skill is a name and I've been around. Just ain't the obnoxious type that scream and shout. From a small town we call it the H, but this ain't where the Rockets play. This is the Golden State, this gonna be my resting place. And if I ever offend you, I guess these tracks are meant for you. We'll never quit doing music, sometimes I got better things to do. I'm feeling like Galactus, I'm coming in huge. Haters always gonna be around, trying to unlace your shoes, making you trip, not me, I'ma keep my cool. My style's like a double knot high, keep it tight, a bird of prey, I'm ready to take flight. Especially when the herb is clouding my mind, with that liquid that makes you lose your mind. Go ahead and judge, the judgment still won't change my mind. Been on stages, performing from the hardest crowds that wasn't feeling my sound, but still won't bring me down. I'm not gonna let that anchor pull me down. Ain't gonna bring me down, ain't gonna bring me down, nope. Ain't gonna bring me down.